Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare stocks on the Yahoo Finance app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo Finance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the stocks of the companies just like this. Now, tap onto the search bar and find the stock that you want to see of the company just like this, and then tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can see the analysis of the stock right here, which is of the day 1. Now to compare the stocks of the company, just tap on to the 5-day or the month just like this. Now you can compare the stock of the 1 month and the day 1 of the stock of the company just like this. And now you can see on the day 1 it has been very hectic. Now on the month you can see it was rising and decreasing. And just like this you can compare the stocks on the Yahoo Finance. Now do the same for the other stocks and you can simply compare them. And that's it. This is how you can compare stocks on the Yahoo Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.